Okay, let's get started. I made this frame using plywood and pocket hole screws. The plan is to wrap around these skateboards so it has a continuous grain. Let's get started. Let's cut it into strips. We're gonna come back tomorrow and wrap it around the frame. Cool? Before we begin, let me explain a few things. So these pieces are not straight. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna have it book matched and pressed down in the middle, and then it ends up being straight enough so that we could glue it to the frame. Also, we need to cut 45-degree miters in each corners so that we could connect it seamlessly. And to do that, I'm using 2 different miter gauges with scraps of plywood. And to cut these pieces, press it down to make it straight and make your first cut. And then flip it around and put it against the stock, and then press it down and make the second cut. You get the point, right? We're gonna come back tomorrow and glue it up. Okay, let's glue this up. We're gonna come back tomorrow and do the sides. Oh.
Alright, we're gonna clean it up tomorrow. It's time! Connor, you're gonna see this when you're older, but what's up, baby? What's up, baby?
Dear Connor, you have been on this earth for only about 14 months and yet you have already made such an impact on my life. There is a lot going on, but spending so much time with you the past couple of months has brought so much happiness in my life. I feel blessed to be your aunt and I am so thankful that your parents decided to move to LA from New York. My advice to you is to do everything and experience everything you want. Travel the world, read as many books as possible, learn a different language, educate yourself about all the different cultures out there, be active, try new foods, and take advantage of all the opportunities that are going to be coming your way. Focus on yourself and try to always see the good in people. If you get the chance, maybe study abroad, play different sports, join clubs, and make friends everywhere you go. You will realize that the friends you make will have an impact on your life. Don't grow old and wish you could have done certain things when you were younger. Stay active in every way possible. Be selfish. Do what makes you happy. Be strong, independent, and know that you can be whatever you want to be as long as you put in the work. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Lastly, always be your happy, silly self. Ever since you were born, you had this great energy about you, giggling, smiling, and being happy everywhere you go, and I really pray that you don't lose that spirit. I will always be there for you, so know that when your parents are being the helicopter parents they are, I am here for you. I love you, and I can't wait to see what this world has to offer you.